Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser, and I will open this default browser in my case. And basically we've got two different ways to clear the browser. So let's tap on this three bars icon in the right lower corner, and as you can see here we've got the shortcut for the history, so let's tap on it. And here we just been transferred to the list of all previously visited websites. So if you want to, you can tap on the three dots icon here and tap on delete. And now you can mark the particular websites which you'd like to remove, or you can simply tap on clear history and everything will be removed. But if you'd like something like more a deep cleaning, I would say, just tap on the three dots icon here and enter the settings. And now we have to scroll down to the personal browsing data, and as you can see here on the very first position we've got delete browsing data, so let's enter. And here we've got, let's say, more advanced options to choose from. So we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files. We've got also the passwords or autofill for data. So if you want to a deep clean, I highly recommend to get to this section. Simply mark those options and tap on delete data. Of course, confirm it. And as you can see, the personal data has been deleted. What's more, we can get back and check in this quick history. Let's tap. As you can see, there's no browsing history. We just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.